Hi guys, hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Karis by name. So guys, please come closer. On this video we're going to be creating this eye look. This nude shimmers eye look, guys. So guys, sticking to the end of this video so I know how to achieve this eye look. And let's not forget, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the notification button. And please guys, stay into the end of the video so now we achieve this look. Thank you. So guys, come closer. So after we're done concealing and blending off, I'll be going over with my concealer. It's my darkest color here. So here guys, we'll apply like this. I'll be going over with this my eyeshadow brush to blend. I'm also dragging it down. Next guys, with my little blending brush, I'll be going over with my darkest color here, and I'll be applying it. Then now I'll be bringing it down. Next guys, going over with my blending brush and with this eyeshadow, lighter brown, I'll be blending above yeah, blend in circles. So next guys, with our concealer palette, my eyeshadow brush, and with my concealer brush, I'll be taking the lightest color. Yeah guys, we apply it in our crease area. Next guys, I'm going over with my blending brush to blend every harsh lines. So they won't be creasing. Next up, guys, I'm going in with this eyeshadow. Apply it at that place I added concealer. Next, guys, I'm going over with this Karis blending brush, a smaller one, to add a bit of brown I use for hair, and I'm adding it at these edges. Next, again, I want to go in with a separate blending brush to blend the edges. You come to your eye area and you blend all together. You go in with again with this eyeshadow. Yeah. You blend. Yes, going with my Zikel Glow Kit highlighter with my blending brush, guys. Here, I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade here. Here, guys, I'll be doing my application gradually, like I'll be dabbing it in. Like this. So once you're done, you heat it off, then you blend. So next, guys, it's my eyeliner here, and with my angled brush. Yeah, guys, for this eyeliner we will be going for a very precise eyeliner like this. We're going for the outer corner. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm filling it in. So guys, now I want to go for the inner corner. So yeah, guys, I'm done putting on my eyeliner. Going with my mascara. So yeah, guys, Yeah, my final eye look. Guys, at this junction you can continue your full makeup glam, but I'm not doing a full makeup glam. So here is the final eye look, guys, and see you on my next video. And thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you, and guys, see you on my next video. Bye for now.